Hi everyone, Kimberly Collins, the Educated Natural here, welcoming you back to the channel for another exciting video. Today I'm going to do something that I've never done on this channel, and that is an actual on-air unboxing of a product that I will be using in my business. If you're curious to know what it is, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and make sure you click that notification bell so that you will be notified when we release all this great content that's going to be coming your way here on the channel. But first, check this out. Okay, welcome back everyone. Let's get right into this unboxing. The item I will be unboxing today is something that I have been watching and researching over the last few months, trying to figure out if it was an item that I should purchase to expand my business. And guess what? I am so glad that I have, because the ideas of creativity have been flowing all over the place. What product am I referring to? Guess what? I gotta pick it up. It is the Cinch. Yes, I am so excited that I have purchased this. I got this one. Now, there's many forms of it, many versions of it. This one is the second version of it, or should I say the second iteration of it. This one happens to be branded by Heidi Swap, as you can see right there on the screen. See right there? Okay, glare. But I got this one because it was on sale. That's the truth of the matter. I picked this up at my local Hobby Lobby, and I had to cover this up because this is a part of the reveal too. The price of this item is probably gonna shock some of y'all. Let's see if I can get this off without tearing up what's underneath it. No, I can't. It's all coming off in one piece. Oh, poo. Anyway, originally it was $100 and I believe $29.99, but I picked it up for $73.99. Yes, big bargain, and there was no way I was gonna pass this up. So let's get right into this unboxing, shall we? Let's see what's in the box. All right, on the top of the box, as you can see, you have your manual, bookbinding tool, the Cinch, the bookbinding tool. All right, so you have that. And then you have the protective stuff, your styrofoam. I'm going to set that over here. And then you have the actual machine, and I'm going to turn this so you guys can see inside the box here. See? That's inside the box. So I'm going to pull it out carefully. All right, that was easy enough. And then the bottom is just another styrofoam piece in the bottom of the box. And this is what it looks like. Not bad, huh? So in another video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this for an item that I'm going to be releasing. All right, so in another video, stay tuned because you're going to see how I use this. But first, I just want you to get a close-up of what it looks like. All right, let's get closer to the camera here, out of the way. Okay, right there, you have a knob, and that knob is going to be used for when I want to cinch the wiring, the wire binding. This particular model, and I believe all the cinchers are 2-to-1 wiring, and I will explain it in a later video. Trust me, I won't leave you hanging. This is just part one of this video, okay? So I want you to see it. Now, if you turn it this way, this is where all the holes are going to be punched at. This is a big hole puncher. That's pretty much what it is. It's a big hole puncher. All right, so all the holes are going to be here. And then you have your measurements. And then here, it has some information and steps that you're going to take. And move the plastic so you can see different steps that you'll take. See that right there? 1, 2, And 3 is at the very bottom. You can barely see it, but it's at the very bottom here where it says cinch, just when you're finished. All right. So we're going to get into this actual product, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using it in my business. So I would tell anyone, if you need a multi-purpose hole punch to create various products, you need to pick these up. Like I said, I got mine at Hobby Lobby. Check your local Hobby Lobby. I was lucky. This was the last one they had on the shelf, and it's on sale. If you do a Google search for these, they are very expensive, like over $100. So get your hand on the Cinch by We Are Memory Keepers as soon as you can. Stay tuned, everyone. I have some great content and uses I'm going to be using this particular device for. Until the next video, like I always say, be sown, be rooted, and be blessed. God bless you all. Until the next time, peace.